Welcome to Consumer Times. In today's video, we'll discuss a very important topic. Artificial intelligence has emerged as a transformative force, significantly impacting diverse domains such as governance, healthcare, education, national security, and defense. For a nation striving towards economic prosperity, security, and technological advancement, AI serves as a key enabler. This article explores the pivotal role of AI in nation building and how it supports the armed forces, Air Force, Navy, and Army in devising and executing strategies during wartime. We also delve into the challenges associated with implementing AI in these contexts. Before we get started, please comment, like, share, and do not forget to subscribe and press bell icon to motivate us. AI in nation building. AI contributes to economic growth by optimizing manufacturing processes, enhancing agricultural productivity, and driving innovation in various industries. Predictive analytics and AI-powered tools help businesses make data-driven decisions, minimize waste, and maximize efficiency. For instance, AI-driven systems analyze weather patterns, soil quality, and crop health to improve yields and reduce resource usage. AI facilitates automation in factories, improving production rates and reducing operational costs. AI enhances governance by enabling data-driven policy decisions, automating routine tasks, and improving public service delivery. Key applications include AI chatbots provide real-time assistance to citizens for queries and grievance redressal. AI aids in early disease detection, personalized medicine, and efficient hospital management systems. AI-based personalized learning platforms adapt to individual student needs, fostering skill development. Governments can use AI to predict future skill demands, ensuring workforce readiness for emerging industries. AI-driven predictive models are used in urban planning to optimize infrastructure development, such as traffic management systems, smart cities, and efficient public transport networks. AI's integration into the defense sector is transforming military operations, from strategic planning to tactical execution. Each wing of the armed forces, Air Force, Navy, and Army, utilizes AI to enhance their capabilities during wartime. AI enables advanced capabilities for the Air Force, including autonomous drones, AI-powered unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, can perform reconnaissance, surveillance, and combat missions with minimal human intervention. AI analyzes data from aircraft sensors to predict maintenance needs, reducing downtime and increasing operational readiness. AI systems process vast amounts of battlefield data in real time, providing pilots with actionable insights and enhancing decision-making. AI can detect and neutralize enemy radar systems, ensuring air superiority. AI strengthens naval operations through AI-powered systems analyze satellite imagery and sonar data to detect enemy vessels and submarines. These are used for mine detection, anti-submarine warfare, and oceanographic surveys. AI defends naval systems against cyber attacks, ensuring the integrity of communication and navigation systems. AI optimizes fleet movement and resource allocation during wartime. The Army leverages AI for various critical applications, including AI-powered drones and sensors monitor enemy movements and provide real-time intelligence. AI-driven armored vehicles can transport supplies and perform combat missions in hazardous environments. AI processes battlefield data to assist commanders in formulating strategies. Enhanced soldier performance. AI-powered wearable devices monitor soldiers' health and performance, ensuring combat readiness. Challenges in implementing AI in defense and nation building. While AI offers immense potential, its implementation comes with several challenges. The use of AI in lethal autonomous weapons raises ethical questions about accountability and the sanctity of human life. AI systems often rely on extensive data collection, raising concerns about individual privacy and misuse of data. AI systems are vulnerable to cyber attacks, which can compromise critical military and civilian infrastructure. Developing robust cybersecurity frameworks is essential to mitigate these risks. AI systems depend on large data sets for training, and biased or unreliable data can lead to flawed decision making. Ensuring data accuracy and fairness is a significant challenge. Developing and deploying AI systems requires substantial investment in infrastructure, research, and talent. Resource-constrained nations may struggle to keep pace with global advancements. Integrating AI into traditional systems often faces resistance from stakeholders accustomed to conventional methods. Overcoming this inertia requires education and change management initiatives. AI can exacerbate global tensions by fueling an arms race. Ensuring international cooperation and regulating AI's use in defense are critical to maintaining global stability. To harness AI's full potential in nation building and defense, governments and institutions must adopt a holistic approach, invest in research and development. Governments should prioritize AI research and foster collaboration between academic institutions, private companies, and defense organizations. Robust cybersecurity measures are crucial to protect AI systems from adversarial attacks. Establishing ethical guidelines and international agreements can ensure responsible AI deployment. Developing a skilled workforce through education and training programs will ensure a steady supply of AI experts. Collaborative efforts among nations can help regulate AI's use in defense and promote its peaceful applications. Artificial intelligence is a powerful tool for nation building and strengthening armed forces. Its applications span economic development, governance, education, and defense strategies, making it indispensable in today's world. However, leveraging AI effectively requires addressing its associated challenges, from ethical concerns to cybersecurity risks. As we move towards a more AI-driven future, it is imperative for nations to strike a balance between innovation and regulation, ensuring that AI serves as a force for good, enhancing national security, economic growth, and global stability. By embracing AI responsibly, we can pave the way for a safer, smarter, and more prosperous future. We hope this video helps to understand use of artificial intelligence power, its benefits also. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Consumer Times for more updates on consumer awareness and business tips. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video. Stay safe, stay aware.